Alrighty then, welcome back Better Health community. Get ready to achieve a flatter stomach in just 30 minutes with this beginner-friendly routine. This quick and effective workout is designed for those who are new to exercise or looking for a low-impact routine. With a combination of simple yet powerful exercises, you'll be on your way to a stronger, leaner core in no time. Follow along with our easy-to-follow instructions and get ready to say goodbye to bloating and hello to a more confident you. Before we crunch into the details, take a quick second to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing health, wellness, and fitness content. Join our growing community of health seekers as we release new videos each week. We promise you won't regret it. Thank you. Now back to the video. So, who doesn't want a flatter stomach? I mean, it's one of the most common fitness goals out there, but for many of us, it can feel like an impossible task, especially when we're short on time or don't know where to start. Today, we're excited to share with you a simple, yet effective 30-minute routine that's perfect for beginners, and can help you achieve a flatter stomach in no time. One of the biggest struggles people face when trying to flatten their stomach is finding the time to fit in a workout. We're all busy, and it's easy to put exercise on the back burner, especially when it feels like there just aren't enough hours in the day. But the truth is, you don't need an hour-long gym session to get started. Even small chunks of time can add up and make a big difference. Another common issue is not knowing which exercises are most effective for targeting the stomach area. There are so many different moves out there, and it can be overwhelming to try to figure out what works and what doesn't. Plus, many of us have been led to believe that we need to do hundreds of crunches a day to see any results, which just isn't true. The good news is that it's not about spending hours at the gym or doing a million different exercises. With the right routine, you can start to see results in just a short amount of time, and that's exactly what we're going to focus on today. Let's break down this 30-minute routine into manageable segments. We'll start with a 5-minute warm-up to get your blood flowing and your muscles ready for the workout ahead. Next, we'll move into a series of exercises that target the core, including planks, leg raises, and bicycle crunches. These moves are designed to engage your entire core, including your abs, obliques, and lower back, which is essential for achieving a flatter stomach. After that, we'll do a series of exercises that focus on burning belly fat and boosting metabolism, including jumping jacks, mountain climbers, and burpees. These moves are designed to get your heart rate up and keep it there, which is essential for burning calories and torching fat. One of the most effective exercises we'll be doing today is the plank. Not only does it engage your entire core, but it also strengthens your back and improves your posture, which can make a huge difference in how flat your stomach looks. To do a plank, start in a push-up position, but instead of lowering your body down, hold yourself up in a straight line from head to heels. Hold for 30 seconds to start, and work your way up to a minute or more as you get stronger. Another great thing about planks is that they're low impact, so they're easy on the joints, and can be modified to suit your fitness level. For example, if you're just starting out, you can start with a knee plank instead of a full plank, which takes some of the pressure off your lower back. The benefits of incorporating planks into your routine are huge. Not only will you start to see a flatter stomach, but you'll also notice improvements in your posture, reduced back pain, and even better overall core strength. So, remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Try to fit this routine into your schedule at least 3 times a week, and watch as your stomach starts to flatten and tone up over time. Thanks for joining us on this fitness journey today, and I hope you found this routine helpful. If you're feeling motivated, be sure to comment below with your progress, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on fitness and wellness. Until next time, happy exercising!